Well, Porterville's at it again. In the latest edition of the Valley Voice, ourvalleyvoice.com, is an article entitled Porterville Council Keeps Spotlight on Transgender Issues with Parental Rights Proposal. Vice Mayor McCurvey has decided that despite this council's loud and often complaining about Sacramento imposing regulations on the cities, that the city needs to impose regulations on the schools. Now, I always thought that was the authority, the jurisdiction of the Board of Education for various school districts, but apparently not. Apparently it's not okay for Sacramento to do it, but it is okay for the Porterville City Council to do it. And what they want to do is impose regulations that would require teachers and administrators to tell parents if the students ask to be known by a different name, use different pronouns, use the bathroom that matches their gender expression, or if they wanted to play on sports teams that match their gender expression. Now, McCurvey has based this on an ordinance out of San Bernardino County, Chino Valley, that was lost in court recently. Now, the people that brought the lawsuit will tell you they won, but they only won one small part of that, and that was if there was a change made to the official or unofficial school records regarding gender expression. I don't know what an unofficial school record is, but apparently they exist. So anyway, they won that part. Everything else was thrown out as unconstitutional and a violation of the California Education Code. But McCurvey's still going to base his ordinance on that. So the city is going to start the process. Hopefully the city attorney will talk them out of this and just let it die somewhere. But, what is it? Billable hours? It may take a while, cost a bunch. Another thing they want to do is set up a slush fund to defend the lawsuits for stuff like this. If some parent wants to sue the school district and they don't have the resources, the city could step in and finance it. So the city would be financing a civilian suit against another government agency. That would always turn out well. Give the politicians a slush fund to sue with. That's just fun times waiting to happen, isn't it? So Porterville, you've let MAGA get its nose in the tent. And it's not even as cute as a camel. So do something about it. Change that city council. Or at least make your viewpoints known that this is not acceptable. Whether you're an LGBTQ ally that thinks this is just nonsense. If you're a parent that has a child that is being bullied because their gender expression is a little bit different. If you're just a good person that doesn't want children harmed with this nonsense, and they will be bullied by other students, they will be bullied by some teachers, they will be bullied by this city council. Porterville has a good track record of that. I thought we had made progress, but apparently we haven't. Like I said, that camel has got its nose in the tent and he's trying to come in. So let him know. Next city council meeting, March 18th at 6:30, I believe it is. City of Porterville City Hall in the council chambers. Show up and let them know. This is not acceptable.